Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English GrowLog. Grow your English, grow yourself. I'm Natalie.
And I'm Owen. Every episode helps you grow in English and in life.
So, Owen, how's your day today?
Very good. Actually, very good.
Oh, why?
Because I worked from home today, so I woke up a bit late.
Wow, that already sounds like a great day.
Yes, I didn't have to wake up early. I didn't have to rush to work, so the morning felt very relaxed.
That makes a big difference. So, what did you do this morning?
Okay, I woke up at 9.
9 o'clock?
Yes, after I woke up, I had a meeting.
A morning meeting?
Yes, from 9 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
And after the meeting, I went to the cafe downstairs.
Oh,
I had brunch there, and it was great.
so you woke up late, had one meeting, and then had brunch.
Exactly. I had a cup of coffee and a very good omelet.
That sounds like a perfect morning.
Yes. After brunch, I stayed at the cafe. I worked there until 2.
Until the afternoon.
Yes. Then I had another meeting.
Wow, a busy day.
Busy but nice. After work, I went running in the park. And now, here I am, ready to talk with you.
Nice.
So, how about you, Natalie? Did you have a good day too?
Yes, I did.
What did you do?
I started my first yoga class today.
Wow,
It was an online class. I felt very excited.
that sounds very different from your usual morning.
Yes, it felt new. And it felt good.
How did you feel after yoga?
Very relaxed. My whole body felt calm.
Nice.
I think I'll keep doing it.
So, after yoga, did you have a big breakfast?
Not really.
Oh?
In the morning, I keep my breakfast light. When I say light breakfast, I mean I don't eat a lot.
Just something small, not a big meal.
I usually have a good cup of coffee, a homemade protein yogurt smoothie, and some fruit.
Wow, that sounds very healthy.
I like simple mornings.
Very different from me. So, after breakfast, what did you do?
I started working, I finished some projects, and I wrote a few teaching cases.
Right, you work for yourself.
Yes, so before lunch, I went to the supermarket.
Sometimes I really like your life. You have more free time.
I know, and I really enjoy my life right now. After lunch, I worked a bit more, and now I'm ready to talk with you.
It sounds like we both had a busy day.
Busy, but good.
So, what are we talking about today?
Well, it feels like our good day started in the morning.
That's true.
So today, let's talk about our mornings, how our day usually starts, our habits, our routines.
And how to talk about them in English.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode
Subscribe to our channel
and share it with a friend.
and stay with us because today you'll learn how to talk about your morning in simple English. So, Natalie, what is your morning usually like? Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am.
Really?
Yes, I'm a morning person. Waking up early is the first step to a good day for me.
Wow, a morning person. I can't do that. I'm more of a night owl.
So a morning person likes waking up early. A night owl likes staying up late.
Exactly. So, after you wake up, what's the first thing you usually do?
Let's stop here for a second. We use usually for things we do many days.
Not every day, but most days. So, what's the first thing you usually do?
Of course, I brush my teeth.
Of course.
Just kidding. After I wake up, I usually do some stretching.
Stretching?
Yes, I move my body a little. My arms, my legs. Sometimes I do it just on the bed.
Wow, that sounds very healthy.
It helps me wake up.
My mornings are very different.
Tell me.
I wake up, I get dressed fast, and I leave the house.
Very fast.
Yes, I usually buy breakfast on the way to work.
Usually again.
Yes, usually. And most importantly, coffee. After I get to the office, I usually grab my coffee and check my emails.
Coffee and emails.
Yes, it's how I start my workday.
Me too. Coffee first, emails second. That's how work begins. I really care about my morning coffee too.
Oh, how so?
Sometimes I make coffee at home.
Nice.
That's part of my morning routine. Routine means things you do again and again.
Coffee, emails, work. Do you ever eat sandwiches or burgers for breakfast?
I seldom eat them. Only on special days or when I meet friends.
Seldom?
Yes, seldom means almost never.
Almost never.
Not every day, not even every week.
So, usually is many days, sometimes is some days, seldom is almost never.
So maybe you can try a light breakfast too.
Maybe on the weekend.
So after breakfast and emails, you start work, right?
Yes, we have a meeting at 9 every day.
Every day.
Yes, it's part of the routine. What about you?
After emails, I usually start writing.
Writing.
Articles, teaching materials, stories.
Nice.
Sometimes mornings are very productive.
And if you have no ideas?
Then I stop. I do some housework or I go to a nearby cafe.
To change the mood?
Exactly. So even our mornings are different.
Very different. But we both have routines.
Things we usually do, things we sometimes do, things we seldom do in the morning.
So we talked about things we usually do and things we sometimes do.
Yes.
But what about things we always do?
Always?
Yes, things we do every morning, no matter what.
That's a good question. For me, there is one thing I always do.
What is it?
I always make my bed.
Really?
Yes, every morning.
You always make your bed.
Yes, it's very small, but it helps me start the day.
So it's part of your routine.
Exactly. We use always for things we do every day. No break.
Always. Every morning. Do you have anything you always do before lunch?
Yes, I do.
Tell us.
Before lunch, I always review my to-do list.
Review?
I look at my tasks again. I check what I did and what I still need to do.
To stay focused.
Yes, it helps me feel ready. It gives me a goal for the afternoon.
So before lunch, you always check your list.
Always. We often use before to talk about time.
Before lunch. Before work.
What about you, Owen?
After meetings, I always take a short break.
Always?
Yes, after every meeting.
You always take a break after meetings.
Just 5 minutes. I stand up, I walk around.
To reset your mind.
Exactly. We use after to talk about the next thing.
After breakfast, after work, after meetings.
It's interesting.
What is?
Our mornings are different, but we all have routines.
Yes. Some things are different, some things are the same.
Some things we always do, some things we usually do, some things we sometimes do.
And some things we seldom do.
Like burgers in the morning.
Exactly. So let's review.
Okay.
Today, we talked about our mornings.
And our routines.
First, we talked about lifestyle.
Morning person, night owl.
A morning person likes waking up early. A night owl likes staying up late.
Then we talked about routines.
We used frequency words.
Always, usually, sometimes, seldom.
These words tell us how often we do something.
I always make my bed. I usually drink coffee. I sometimes work at a cafe. I seldom eat burgers in the morning.
And we also used time words.
Before, after.
Before lunch, I check my to-do list. After meetings, I take a short break.
Perfect. Simple English, but real life.
Now it's your turn.
Let's practice in the comments.
Tell us, are you a morning person or a night owl?
And write 1 to 2 sentences about your routine.
You can use I always, I usually, I sometimes, I seldom with simple present tense.
And try before or after.
I usually drink coffee before work. I sometimes exercise after breakfast.
Just 1 sentence is okay. Short is enough.
Thank you for spending your morning with us.
Or your afternoon. Or your evening.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video
Subscribe to our channel.
and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Keep practicing.
Grow your English. Grow yourself.
See you next time. Bye.